I figure I'll do an update on my mutt and my trailer. And work on both. So I have rifle mounts on both sides. I just got some training grenades thrown in there for right now. And my Dinex replica. That's supposed to kind of hold the place of an M14. I'll probably put it on an M14 over there or a M16, whichever replica I can get my hands on. I'm pretty impressed with the old Dinex replica. It looks the part, but still, anyone who really looks at it for any kind of time can tell it's not real, which I prefer. I got machine gun mount all built. It's pretty close to original. This comes apart here. Then my deactivated Browning, I got it in the A6 configuration, which is actually World War II Korea. I do not have an M60 that actually is what should be on there, but I don't have a replica M60, live M60. I don't have an M60. But got tires all sandblasted and painted. They're not so ugly. Got my U.S. Army stickers on there. I'll paint them on later. I come across something pretty cheap. I just threw them on there for now. But old Browning, I've been fiddling with it. Think it'll look a little better. Of course, she's junk. She'll never fire again. Trunnion's mashed and with rods welded inside of it. But the old machine gun mount didn't come out horrible. After I take a video, I'm getting ready. I'm gonna wire skeleton to the Browning and take him to a Halloween event here in a couple hours for the Legion. But I don't think I'm gonna take my trailer. I don't think I'll have it done in time. But I got quite a bit done on the trailer. Apparently, my one video never uploaded on this, and I did not catch it, and I don't have it now. So it skipped an update. So I got it all sandblasted, got it painted, got the rear panel all welded back in. It looks pretty good. The floor is not as good as I once thought it was. The wiring is junk. I've been patching it. I've got it where I've plugged in. I got power. I got new taillights. The taillights are both corroded junk inside. They're full of rust. But I'll patch it. I'll get a new wiring harness. So just no one has one right now. And they're not ungodly expensive. But it does work with my mutt. I have had it working. I just got to fix some of the shorts. Got the parking brake working on it and everything. So pretty good shape. I just need to. I had a leg, but I haven't replaced it yet. So I just got the old leg on there right now. There's a quick update, but here I take a video since I got it halfway set up to what it'll be at shows and stuff if I take it to shows. But here I got a buddy who's got a human-sized skeleton. We're gonna wire him to the Browning, throw a helmet on him. But well, hopefully here in another month or so, I'll post another video of radio on there.